Hello everyone. So today we are going to see difference between hash map and hash table. So hash map and hash table are both used to store data in the key and value format. So let us see what are the difference between hash map and hash table. So first and important difference is hash map are non-synchronized and not thread safe, whereas hash table is synchronized and thread safe. So as it is a non-synchronized and not thread safe, so the hash map is fast as comparable to hash table, whereas hash table is synchronized and thread safe, so hash table is slow as compared to the hash map. So but we can make hash map synchronized by calling this collections class method, that is synchronize map, and by passing the hash map we can make hash map synchronize. So whereas hash table is internally synchronized, but we can't be unsynchronized. So there is no way that we can use to do hash table as unsynchronized, but there is a way we can make hash map synchronized by calling this method of this collections class, that is this collections dot synchronize map. Next difference is hash map allows one null key and multiple null values, whereas in the case of hash table it doesn't allow any null key or value. So let us see the example on this. So here is the example. I have created one class called test. In that, this is a hash map, and in the hash map we are inserting the value null is a key and also null value. So let us put this and let us try to print. So if I execute this as a Java application, so here you can see null key and null value. So if we use here hash table, we will get the error. It will not show the error at compile time. We will get the error at runtime. So here we can see hash table is created and we are trying to put null key and null values. So at the runtime we will get exception. So if I execute this as a Java application, so here we go, Java null pointer exception, java.lang.null pointer exception at line 13. So if I click this, here you can see at the line 13 we are getting the null pointer exception. So hash map allows only one null key and multiple null values, whereas hash table doesn't allow any null key or value. Next difference is hash map is traversed by iterator, whereas hash table is traversed by enumerator and iterator. So let us see example. So here I have already created the example. So here you can see, here I have created a class called test1, and here hash map and hash table I have created, and we are storing the value integer and string 1 Sam, 2 John, 3 Brock, and here we will use the iterator. So iterator equals to hash map dot entry set dot iterator. So we are iterating the value and we are printing the key value pairs. So in the case of hash map we can't use the enumeration, but in the case of hash table we can traverse the key and values of hash table by using the enumeration as well as iterator. So this is the difference. Hash map is traversed by iterator, hash table is traversed by enumerator and iterator. So if I execute this, control F11, so here we go, 1 Sam, John, 3 Brock. This is a hash map. Next one is this hash table, and this is by using the enumeration we can iterate or traverse. So the next difference is hash map inherits abstract map class and hash table inherits dictionary class. So let us see. So here I have already opened hash map class. So here you can see public class hash map, and it is inheriting abstract map, whereas hash table, so hash table you can see, and it extends this dictionary class. So this is a difference. So these are the some difference. So first one is hash map is not synchronized and hash table is synchronized. So hash map is fast comparable to hash table, while hash table is slow compared to hash map. So we can make hash map synchronized by calling this method. Then hash map allows only one null key and multiple null values, whereas hash table doesn't allow any null key and values. Hash map is traversed by iterator, whereas hash table is traversed by enumerator and iterator. Hash map inherits abstract map class, whereas hash table inherits dictionary class. So if you like this video, you can hit like button and subscribe to our channel.